My Living World, G Science, Chapter 10, Air, Question and Answer. A. Fill in the blanks. The two main gases present in the air are dash and dash. Answer: nitrogen and oxygen. Question number 2. Animals need dash gas for breathing. Answer: oxygen. Question number 3. Plants use dash gas to prepare their own food. Answer: carbon dioxide. Question number 4. The process by which plants prepare their food is called dash. Answer: photosynthesis. Question number 5. Dash gas present in the atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of sunlight. Answer: ozone. Question number 6. Air containing impurities is called. Answer: polluted air. B. Write true or false for the following statements. 1. Pure air is colorless, odorless and tasteless. True. 2. An empty glass bottle contains air. True. 3. Air gets impure due to the presence of nitrogen gas. False. Question number 4. Leaves of a plant look greener before rain falls. 5. Oxygen is required for burning. True. C. Tick the correct option. The gas which is present the most in air is nitrogen. 2. An air pollutant which exists in solid form is. Answer: smoke. 3. The gas whose amount varies with weather changes is. Answer: water vapor. 4. The gas that gets reduced through the process of photosynthesis is. Answer: carbon dioxide. Question number 5. When sulfur dioxide reacts with water and oxygen in air, it results in the production of. Answer: acid rain. D. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Name the main components of air. Nitrogen and oxygen are the main components of the air. 2. State the meaning of the term photosynthesis. Answer: plants use carbon dioxide, sunlight and water to make their food. This process is called photosynthesis. Question number 3. State 2 possible harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Answer: ultraviolet rays causes skin and eye diseases. It also affects the plant growth. Question number 4. Define the term air pollutant. Answer: the impurities present in air, smoke, dust, germs are known as air pollutant. Question number 5. Name any two of the gaseous pollutants present in air. Answer: carbon monoxide, oxides, ozone are the two gaseous pollutants present in air. Question number 6. List any 4 causes of air pollution. Answer: the 4 causes of air pollution are: dust raised from the ground during dust storms, dust raised by crossing of stones in quarries, smoke emitted by vehicles, smoke from forest fires. E. Answer the following. Question number 1. Why is air necessary for animals? Answer: air is necessary for animals because animals need air to breathe, survive. Question number 2. How is nitrogen important for plants? Answer. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, development of fruit, seeds and leaves. Question number 3. How is the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in air maintained in nature? Answer. Animals and human beings use oxygen present in the air and give out carbon dioxide gas. Plants, on the other hand, consume carbon dioxide gas during photosynthesis in daytime. They then give out oxygen. In this way, a balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained in the air. Question number 4. Why is acid rain harmful? Answer. Acid rain damages crops and reduces the fertility of soil. It can also damage monuments made of marble. Question number 5. Why should we feel worried about global warming? Answer. Increases average temperature of the earth leading to melting of polar ice caps. Hence is global warming harmful. Question number 6. Suggest some ways of reducing air pollution. Answer. We should plant more trees, lesser use of vehicles, regular checkup of vehicles, use of cleaner fuels, dumping the garbage in a pit, constructing tall chimneys. Good habits. Question number 7. How does planting of trees help in making air cleaner? Answer. Plant use of carbon dioxide gas present in the air for producing their food using photosynthesis. This helps to reduce the greenhouse effect and maintain the earth temperature at a desirable level. Thank you.